Hello YouTube, welcome again to Car Guy Corner. Today I'm going to start working on the motor for my race cart. Here I have a Honda GX 200, and then I got the 196 Baja motor that I took off my Baja. I already put the pull start from my Honda. It's got the carb from my Honda, the fuel tank from my Honda. That's why it's all stripped down. Because the pull start let go, the carb was all gummed up, and the original gas tank that was on here was full of garbage. And I even got the exhaust off my GX 200 on there. So for now, I'm going to start by stripping this thing down, cleaning it, and figuring out what performance mods I want to do to put it on my race go-kart. Well, now I got my Baja 196 all stripped down, and the first part of building any go-kart motor is take the governor out. Well, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the governor out first, then I'm going to clean the block. It's a little dirty, clean it up, maybe paint it, I don't know, maybe try to dress it up, I don't know, we'll see. Cylinder doesn't look the best. See if I can get it in some light here. So I don't know, maybe a light honing. I don't know. Don't want to put too much money into this motor because I want to build a badass out of this GX 200 over here. So I don't know. See if I can maybe just get away with a hone job and a new set of rings on it, and that's it. You know, maybe shave the head, raise the compression, do a few little mods to it, but I don't want to put too much money into it. So next I'm going to be pulling out the governor and the governor arm and gear, and then I'll see what I can do for cleaning up the block. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment. If you want to see more, subscribe. And till next time, keep it between the ditches.